Assalamualaikum and a very good day to Dr. Nurul Faziha. I am Nur Nadia Nadira binti Sulaiman and my groupmate Nur Izzati Maliana binti Abdul Rahim will present our slides on tea plantation. The scientific name of tea is Camellia sinensis. It came from Teaceae family. Its origin is from China. The leaves are dark green with serrated edges and a pointed tip. It tends to have a hairy underside. It is oval in shape and alternate. The flowers are hermaphrodite, which have both male and female organs. It is white and are quite fragrant. It will grow on their own or will appear in clusters of 2 to 4 together. The propagation method in tea plantation. First, by seed. The seed will be selected and germinated in wet closes. It will be transferred to nursery bed and let it grow for 2 to 3 years. Then it will be transplanted to the field. Second, by leaf cutting. The single node cuttings are taken and rooted in polyethylene bags containing soil. Then it will be planted in field after 6 to 9 months. The environmental condition in tea plantation. It will require annual rainfall of 1,600 mm per year, acidic pH between 4.5 and 6, optimal temperature of 18 to 20 degrees Celsius, warm and humid climates, tropical red soils. There are several types of tea plantation in Malaysia. First, black tea, oolong tea, yellow tea, pu'er tea, green tea, and white tea. The land preparation of tea plantation. First, we will choose virgin forest soils that are rich in humus and iron. Deep, well-drained, friable, loamy soils. Make sure to have a good drainage system. Large proportion of potash and phosphorus in the main soil. Finally, add nitrogenous fertilizers and organic matter. There are two types of planting methods in tea plantation. First, by pit planting. We will be apply pit planting when there is a wide spacing between plants, individual pits per plant. Second, trench planting. It will be applied when there is closer spacing. Trenches 30 cm wide and 45 cm deep are dug along the rows. For fertilization, we will require combination of nitrogen, phosphate, potash, and magnesium. Apply 0.2 kg of complete slow-release fertilizer mix in the first year. Increase the amount by 0.2 kg at each application in the following year. Sprinkle the fertilizer on the ground around the base of the plant. Water thoroughly after each application. For the weed management, first, identify the harmful and innocent weeds. Then, remove the harmful weeds, make it as the compost fertilizer. Finally, keep the innocent weeds, trim the innocent weeds to avoid overgrowth.
Tea pruning. Planter selectively removes part of plant, like the branches, roots, or buds. So the benefit of the tea pruning. Tea plants receive a fresh lease of life. It facilitates the removal of disease, damaged, unproductive, unwanted, or dead tissue for the plant body. The second is preventing insects and decayed organisms from entering. Third, helping the plant to shade it up itself by controlling or directing its growth. Next, time of tea pruning. It is occur when the plant is dormant between December and January as the ideal period because it is the optimal level of the starch reserve in the tea roots. So, tea pruning cycle is performed pruning in longer cycles. Productivity will rise. Tea skiffing. Bushes are lightly cut in the between two pruning years. There are three types of tea skiffing: deep skiff, medium skiff, light skiff. So choice of the pruning cycle. It is depend on the age of the bush, age of the wood, vigor, bush frame, and hygiene. Disease management. So for the alga leaf spot, the symptom is gray, green or tan raised spots or blotches with green margins on leaves. It is caused by the algae. So the disease is emergent favored by high temperature and humidity. So how to manage it? Avoid overhead irrigation, which can spread the disease. Provide adequate space between plants to maximize air circulation around foliage. Next, blister blight. The symptoms are small pinhole-sized spots on young leaves. Spots become transparent. It is caused by fungus. So it is endemic to all major tea growing regions. To control, plant tea varieties which are less susceptible to the disease. Next, apply appropriate foliar or systemic fungicides to protect the plants. So, for the red root disease, the symptoms are yellowing foliage, wilting, and or sudden death of pot plant. It is caused by the fungus. It can spread by mycelial strands in the soil. So, to control it, remove infected bushes which are showing signs of yellowing. Next, remove any stumps or trees within infested area. Pest management. For aphids, the symptoms are small, soft-bodied insects or underside of leaves. It is caused by insects. So, distinguishing features include the presence of conical, which project backwards from the body of the aphid. To control, prune infected bushes to provide control and spray insecticide. Tea scale. Pale yellow spots on leaves turning brown and dropping prematurely. So, how to manage? Light infestation can be scraped off the plant and destroyed, or infested leaves can be hand-picked. It takes about 2 years before the plant is mature enough for tea plant harvesting. Only the young, tender leaves and buds are used for tea. How to harvest Camellia sinensis? Harvest just the top 2 new leaves and leaf bud on the new spring growth, green tea. It is harvested in July and August when temperatures are at their peak. Black tea. Example farms in Malaysia and their risk. First, Boh Tea Plantation and Cameron Valley, Barat Tea Plantation. It is common issue of hillside plantation. Large-scale plantation comes with the risk of exposing too many bare soils that may result in certain land problems. For the local herbal tea, it is lack of systematic marketing structure and lack of proper scientific research. That's all. Thank you.